చూసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం కదా.
మీకు ప్రతి పీసు చుట్టూ దాని అమౌంట్ ఒక యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు పంపిస్తాను ఇవాళ అంతా పంపిస్తాను.
Namaste, welcome to Vidadri. So, in this live session, we will be seeing the prettiest pattu lehengas, beautiful traditional lehengas today. So the collections are very pretty and name is really one of the beautiful color. This is orange color with blue color contrast, and you can even see the silver zari border, which is at the bottom, and the lehenga is like full of beautiful floral designs, which is goodies. And దీనికి కాంట్రాస్ట్ గా మనకి బ్లూ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుంది. And this is priced at 12,999. We'll be seeing all the lehengas one by one. I'll be showing you all the beautiful pattu lehengas, and only అనేది మనం separate గా తీసుకోవాలి. And I'll be showing you the pretty sarees one by one. So these are the sarees only. If you want, you can go through all the mannequins. This is one of the beautiful color. This is metallic blue with red color border. It's a khadi zari border running on either sides. And the next one, this is kanchi pattu with floral design and the khadi border with beautiful designs all over. And the color is also beautiful. And the next one, this is dark navy blue with golden booties all over and the pink color contrast border. So the next one, this is dark pink, beautiful pattu saree only with traditional border as well, and the designs are very beautiful. This is with beautiful golden color booties all over and the khadi border. And the next one is green with pink, such a beautiful one, and the saree is with full of intricate designs and a golden color brocade work. And this is khadi border, which is pink color with beautiful designs all over. And the next one, so we'll be seeing the lehengas only. So there are many mannequins or something. Now we'll move on to the live session one by one. So here's the first one. Manchi pattu lehengas only. These are the traditional pattu lehengas. This is green with pink, and the body of the lehengas is with beautiful golden color booties. And you can see the border, two different size of borders. You can see the silver weave with golden khadi border with beautiful designer. And for this we have got the contrast blouse, very beautiful blouse only. We can either stitch it as a blouse or a crop top, and if you want only, we have to take it separately. And this is priced at for the price details, you can message to our team only. They will definitely assist you. You can message to the WhatsApp number. So this is one of the prettiest lehenga. This is light golden orange color with green color border. You can see the traditional designs all over the border only. It's a khadi zari border, and the lehenga is with beautiful design all over. And for this we have got a blouse, which is with self-embossed pattern and the beautiful weave. And so this is priced at 21,999. For orders, you need to message on the WhatsApp number. I'll show you one more beautiful color. This is dark green with red color contrast border. You can see the golden zari design, and it's very beautiful and intricate. And the saree, and the lehenga, body of the lehenga is with full of golden zari. Such a beautiful design all over. And for this we have got the contrast blouse with self-embossed pattern. The red color with a beautiful border. We can either stitch it as a crop top or a blouse model. And if you want, we have to take the Oni separately. And this is priced at 13,999. These are the Vidatri special collections and are the best. These are the best weavers price. This is one more beautiful color. Gold and pink color combination. And the border is violet color with peacock motifs all around. And the border is with golden zari. And you can see the designs. And here's the blouse. I'll show you the blouse with self-embossed pattern, which is light violet in color, and a dark color contrast border, which is having peacock designs. And this is priced at 20,499. For orders, you need to message onto this number. Please do take the screenshot and message on 73963820067. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. They will definitely assist you. And this is one of the beautiful color, green with violet combination. So body of the lehenga is with beautiful intricate designs, and the border is with khadi border, golden zari, which is having fish designs. And for this we have got the contrast blouse, which is violet color with self-embossed pattern and a bigger border. We can stitch it till the elbows or half sleeves. Very beautiful intricate design, and this is priced at for price details you can message to the WhatsApp number, you can even comment down. This is one more beautiful color. This is silver color, very traditional and looking very elegant too. So this is one of such a beautiful color contrast, and we have got the light blue color border at the end. Such a beautiful with silver weave, and for this we have got a contrast blouse with self-embossed pattern and with a bigger border. We can even try the mugam works as well, and this is priced at 20,499. This is one of the beautiful color. Again, this is dark color. This is the pattu lehenga with a pink color border. And the body of the lehenga is with beautiful booties only. And the border is a traditional border, khadi zari border with silver zari. And here's the blouse with tiny booties. Such a beautiful combination. We can pair it up with contrast only. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. We're also shipping these lehengas worldwide, and for the lehenga price details, you can also comment down, or you can message to the WhatsApp number. This is one more beautiful lehenga, and the color is very festive. This is golden yellow. Such a beautiful color combination with red color border. And body of the lehenga is with silver booties and the khadi zari border. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is red color and with a self-embossed pattern. We can either stitch it as like a crop top or a blouse. And this is priced at 21,999. These are the special collections of Vidatri. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of your favorite lehenga and message to this number. For dispatch, you need to contact on 73963820067. We're also shipping these worldwide. Such a beautiful lehengas, and for this lehenga also you can take the screenshot and message to our team. This is orange with blue contrast. And the next one, this is chocolate brown. And we have got the silver zari border at the bottom. And the body of the lehenga is with beautiful intricate designs, looking very elegant, and the color combination is a little bit different. A unique color, I can say. And here's the blouse with the same color and the self-embossed pattern, the silver zari border. You can either stitch it as a crop top or a blouse. Such a beautiful one, and this is priced at 20,499. మనం ఓన్లీ సెపరేట్గా తీసుకోవాలండి, so you can take your contrast ones. This is one of the beautiful combination, blue with pink and this is with a silver line pattern, silver zari. You can even see the border with traditional designs, which is with the golden zari. It's a pink color contrast and with silver lines on the body. And we have got a contrast blouse, which is pink color with a bigger border. We can either stitch it as half sleeves or above the elbows. Such a beautiful color combination. For the price details, you can message to the WhatsApp team or comment down in the comment section. And the next one is one of the beautiful and bright color. This is very attractive, pink color, dark pink, with violet color border. You can see the peacock designs, and the body of the lehenga is with full of booties, bigger booties, and you can see the blouse. It's a violet color blouse with tiny motifs all around and with a bigger border. And this is priced at 8,499, which is the best weaver's price. These are the pattu lehengas, traditional lehengas. We can wear it for all the traditional occasions. This is mehendi green color combination with pink color border. You can see the body of the lehengas with full of intricate designs. Such a beautiful model. And the border is with it's with golden weave. And the blouse is light pink color with a bigger border. We can stitch it above the elbows. And the beautiful color combination. And for the price details, you need to message to the WhatsApp number or you can comment down. And for orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number 73963820067. So you can see this, the model. Manam ee lehengas kutinchinapudu, it looks the same as like this. You can see the designer, how beautiful and how pretty it is when we match it up with a beautiful oni. So ee roju live lo chupinchina lehengas anni kuda the same model. We can stitch it like this and we can pair it up with beautiful oni, or you can stitch it like a crop top lehenga. It is all our wish. So we'll see the next one. This is one of the beautiful color, bright color. This is dark red with green color border, and even the border has some floral designs, and the body of the lehenga is having some small booties, golden color booties, and the contrast blouse. It's a green color blouse, dark green color. Such a beautiful contrast. We can pair it up with beautiful oni, and this is priced at 20,799. And this is one more dark color. This suits for everyone, and we can pair it up with beautiful blouse, the same contrast blouse which we have got, the orange color. You can see the design, which is brocade designs, and the border is having the golden zari combination, and the blouse with small motifs all around. So దీనికి మనం కాంట్రాస్ట్ గా ఓన్ చేసుకోవచ్చండి. And this is the model. This is how you can pair it up with beautiful lehenga. And for the price details, you need to message on the WhatsApp number. And this is one more beautiful color again, dark yellow. And this is looking very elegant, only such a beautiful combination. And for this, we have got the blue color contrast border. It's a cruddy border, and the blouse is with small brocade designs. And even the border is a little bit elegant, and we can stitch it till half the elbows. And మనం మగ్గం వర్క్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు to make it more traditional. And for the price details, you can message to the WhatsApp number. Almost all the lehengas are like below 25,000 only today in live session. This is one more beautiful color combination. This is dark green with orange color, and the border, you can see the peacock designs on it, and the body of the lehengas with beautiful brocade designs and a beautiful booties. And here's the contrast blouse. This is orange color blouse, so we can just stitch it like a crop top or blouse according to our wish. And this is priced at 20,799. So these are the best collections of Vidatri, and manaki elago wedding season is nearing, so you can just pick up this one. This this is light peach color with dark color border, which is green color. And for this we have got a contrast blouse as well with a bigger border. Such a traditional design. And the body of the lehenga is also having beautiful golden zari designs. You can see the detailing very clearly, how pretty and elegant it is. Such a beautiful model, and we can pair it up with beautiful oni again. And for orders you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. Orders are the WhatsApp number andi. So you can call on 73963820067. We are also shipping these worldwide. You can just have a look on the shipping charges as well. And we'll see the next one. This is one more beautiful color, silver color with green color border. You can see the peacock and floral designs in it and the cross lines. And the body of the lehengas with small intricate designs, which is with a silver weave. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. Sorry, same running blouse is manki. It's almost same like the lehenga. So we can pair it up with beautiful oni, which is a contrast color like green or golden color. We can try it on. And for the price details, you have to message to the WhatsApp number. So we choosar kada name veskunna lehenga, so we can just match it up like that. So this is how these all comes under. This is dark red and pink color combination lo manaku kanpistundi. And for this we have got a dark blue color border, which is having peacock designs on it, cross line check patterns. And the contrast blouse, which is dark blue color with a bigger border. We can stitch it till half the elbows or above the elbows. And this is also very beautiful, and this color suits for everyone. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. So please do take the screenshot of this. For orders 73963820067. Let's move on to the next one. So ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి కలనేత కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ అండి, వైలెట్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ కలర్ అండ్ ద రెడ్ కలర్ బార్డర్, విచ్ ఇస్ అ లిటిల్ బిగ్గర్ బార్డర్, సో ఇట్ మేక్స్ ఇట్ లుక్ మోర్ ఎలిగెంట్. We have to stitch it accordingly, like a crop top blouse or a full blouse. So this is the contrast combination with intricate designs and a bigger border. Such a beautiful lehenga, pattu lehengas andi ivanni. Then one more beautiful color again. This is golden yellow with pink color combination. So the designs are very traditional. You can see the detailing, which is with a silver weave, and the border is with golden zari and a cross check line patterns and with florins. Very beautiful design and combination. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is golden in color and a plain design, and the border is the highlight. And this is priced at, so this is priced at 29,000. This is one of the bright color combination, dark red with green. Such an elegant combination which suits for everyone. And this is having the check pattern in the bottom. It's a kadi border with rudraksh and peacock motifs. You can see the elegant details in it. And the body of the lehenga is having the pretty designer, which is intricate, and the contrast blouse with self-embossed pattern. Very beautiful. We can match it up with the contrast oni. So we'll see the next color combination. So this is how the model looks on me. The same way we can stitch it. If we want, we have the tailor as well. Meeru measurements send cheyochu. We will stitch it and send to you. And this is one more beautiful color, sea green with red color combination. Such an elegant color combination you can see, and you can also observe the peacock designs in the border. And the contrast blouse, which is red color with tiny motifs. We can stitch it till half the elbows. And yes, this is priced at 20,499. So chusar kada, today's live is all about the beautiful traditional lehengas. You can just see the live again. Once live in cheyagane, you can go through the live again and take the screenshot of your favorite lehenga and message to the number 73963820067. So these are the shipping charges. And you can even visit our store, which is Vitatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 p.m. every day. And yes, again we'll be back with another beautiful live session. Till then, bye bye.